There's three of us that run the company. We did a big project, the three of us, on the Liver Birds in Liverpool. We refurbished those over 2 summers, 2 consecutive summers, and the three of us got on really well, and by that point we'd fully fallen in love with conservation work, so we decided that was the sector we wanted to carry on working in, and here we are.
Pan o'n i gyrraedd y Meiddethau, oedd y holl safle wedi cael ei gymryd drosodd gan y planhigion, y iorw ac y coed. Ac oedd o'n andros anodd i ddarllen sut oedd yr adeilad arfer fod. Wrth i'r gwaith yma ddechrau, da ni'n dechrau deall sut oedd yr adeilad yn arfer bod, y relationship yna gyda y chwarel. Ac mae yna opportunity wan i ddeall mwy am cyflwr adeilad. Y wall tops, sut mae lintels wedi ffeilio, y condition y mortar, ac wedyn mae hynny'n mynd i ddangos iddyn ni sut i symud ymlaen gyda'r repair approach.
The whole building was covered in ivy, which, I mean, ivy, as nice as it looks, causes a lot of damage to the masonry, so we've been removing the ivy in order to be able to gain a bit of a better look at what's going on underneath, which will allow the Elgin and the team at Donald Insalls to specify some works in order to be able to get it in good order again. We have to get ropes over the walls. Typically we do that by climbing a ladder and throwing some ropes over. You can then protect the ropes from any sharp edges. And then, yeah, we get in a full-body climbing harness and climb up the ropes or climb up a ladder with the ropes as a backup and do the works either hanging off the ropes or crawling around on the top of the walls with the ropes to protect us.
Mae hwn yn adeg gyffrous iawn ac mae'n brosiect dwi'n mwynhau fod yn rhan o fel pentref lleol o Gogledd Cymru. Mae gweld projects fel yma'n symud ymlaen ac yn dechrau ar ôl adeiladau yn meddwl lot iddo fi. Da ni wedi gweld bod yna ddiddordeb mawr gan y cymuned lleol i ddeall beth sy'n digwydd, beth yw'r cynlluniau dyfodol gyda'r adeilad. Mae'n bwysig iawn ynglŷn â hanes Bethesda ac y pobl lleol.
A lot of the work we do is sort of contributing a page in the story of a place's history, and so it's really nice to be doing that to the structures and monuments around where we live, especially because the community that I'm a part of has been visiting us here, and we've been talking to people who can remember when this hospital was still a functioning hospital. Yeah, it's just really nice to be able to feel like a part of that community and that history, and making sure it's preserved for the future.